HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us understand the general formula of the pooled variance. Let's work through the calculation for the pooled variance. We'll begin by defining the pooled variance as S squared pooled. The pooled variance is a sum of the two group variances, weighted by the degrees of freedom for each group. Let's make sure we understand all the parts of this equation. First, we have the variance of group 1. The variance of group 1 is multiplied by the degrees of freedom from group 1. Note that the degrees of freedom are equal to the sample size of group 1 minus 1. Just as with group 1, the variance of group 2 is multiplied by the degrees of freedom of group 2. Note that the degrees of freedom are equal to the sample size of group 2 minus 1. The weighted variances are added together to complete the numerator of the equation. The degrees of freedom from both groups are added to get the denominator of the equation. Here is the final equation, which will give more weight to the group with more degrees of freedom. This weighting occurs because larger samples are more accurate estimates of the population, and more accurate estimates should have more weight in estimating the population variance. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.